Well, we have with us Milab Zaveri here in Pattaya, Thailand, on the sets of Mastizade. Wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama, first of all, Milab.
Thank you. I love Bollywood Hungama. I'm happy to be here. Happy to be with you, Faridun. And I love the cover versions you do of different film songs. Lovely. And I think it's great. You're expressing your passion through music. Very nice.
Great. Just shooting for this song called Rom Rom Romantic hai, I believe, and Amal Malik, I believe, has composed it. Mika has sung it as well. Now, tell us something about this particular song and what's the idea?
This is Bhushan Kumar sir's favorite song, one of his favorite songs. And when we met him for Mastizade, he was like, trust me. Let me sit on you with the music and let me work with you on the music, because I feel it's a great film, it's a great script, and I think you're going to do something mad. So I want to be part of the music integrally from the first step. Right. And he had this song, and so he made Amal come and meet Rongita and me. And the moment we heard it, we were in love with the song, and we loved it. And the lyrics are a little naughty and raunchy, and the lyrics are by Manoj Muntasahir, who is known for Galiyan. तो गलियाँ के बाद अब गालियाँ उनको आई होप ना पड़े, क्योंकि इसमें उन्होंने बहुत ही नॉटी बट बहुत ही फनी लिरिक्स लिखे हैं. एंड इट्स द 6/8 का गाना, आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, जो होता है एक सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ जहाँ तेरी ये नज़र है, उस मूड का जो गाना होता है, जिसमें एक स्विंग है, एक एक रिलैक्स्ड कूल बीट है, नॉटीनेस है, रोमांस है. सो वी आर शूटिंग इट इन पटाया इन थाईलैंड ऑन द बीच विथ my two sonnies and Tushar and Veer, and it's good fun.
Now, you're shooting for Mastizade here in Pattaya. Now, Pattaya is known for its, it's also called the city of sin in many ways. Wives are not interested in sending their husbands out here as it. So why Pattaya? Is because of the vibe that the movie has?
No, the film, जो कहानी है, it's based in at one point in Pattaya. It comes to Pattaya, right. Because जो मस्तीज़ादे हम बना रहे, our tagline is मस्ती में तो हम सबके बाप लगते हैं. So the thought is that I wrote Masti 1, I wrote Grand Masti. Now I've written Mastizade along with Mushtaq Sheikh, right. And we are attempting to make maybe the bap of all sex comedies, right. And I think there's no better place than Thailand, Pattaya, as a base, as a backdrop for a film like that. Right. So इस film में there's madness, there's comedy, there's oomph. So Thailand, yeah, I mean, welcome to my land, Thailand.
Welcome to my land, Thailand. Many say that you've been doing a lot of interesting stuff right now as a writer. You've done some really fabulous work in 24 as a dialogue writer. Now you've also been associated with sex comedies. So who's the real Milab Zaveri?
Well, I'd like to say I'm multi-talented maybe. I always feel most of my career was associated with comedies, or the Sanjay Gupta brand of cinema. The Kantes, Musafirs. Then, as my first film didn't do well as a director, there was a lull, Jaane Ka Sahi. People were like, Jaane Kahan Gaya Milab. There was no work, nothing. Then Sanjay Gupta, pulled me back, got me back with Shoot Order Wadala, where my dialogues were appreciated. Then I did Ek Villain, which was a blockbuster. Main Tera Hero, 24, Grand Masti. So I've tried very hard for Idun to try and do every genre as a dialogue writer or as a writer, because I don't want to be slotted as one. But yeah, I think humor is my forte. I'm a happy person. I have a great life, I have a great wife, I have a great family. I have great producers, great actors in my film. I like laughing, I like making people laugh. There is no greater joy than sitting in a theatre and not seeing your film, but just looking around at people's faces. और जब वो लोग हंसते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं, ताली बजाते हैं, there is no greater high for anyone. मतलब मुझे अगर आप 100 में से आप कितनी बार ऑडियंस को हंसाना चाहते हो, कितनी बार रुलाना चाहते हो, मैं कहूँगा 99 टाइम्स मैं हंसाना चाहता हूँ लोगों को. आई वॉन्ट पीपल टू लाफ, आई वॉन्ट हिम टू एन्जॉय, कम टू द थिएटर, प्रॉब्लम्स भूल जाए, मज़े करे, एन्जॉय करे. सो आई थिंक द रियल मिलाप ज़वेरी इज समवन हु वांट्स पीपल टू एन्जॉय लाइफ. मैं चाहता हूँ लोग कोई भी मुसीबत हो लाइफ में, प्रॉब्लम हो, तो मेरी पिक्चर आके देखे, इतना हंस के निकले कि वो 2 घंटे के लिए वो अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स भूल जाए.
Do you feel that too much is made about sex in this country with a population of over 1.25 billion? Too much is made about it. Too much of judgmental stuff happens.
Well, I think definitely.
Too seriously as well.
I think definitely there's a lot of sex happening in the country because where the population is so much. तो I think जो लोग करते हैं उसके बारे में बात करने से क्यों शर्माते I don't understand. We are the land of the Kama Sutra and you know I'm sure ये argument बहुत टाइम दिया गया है और मेरा पॉइंट है कि आज जो हमारी ऑडियंस है आज you know जिस दिन ग्रैंड मस्ती आई मैं जानता हूँ 1-2 दिन पहले लोग कह रहे थे यार कोई नहीं जाएगा ये बहुत ही वाहियात है ये वो है और लोग मतलब थिएटर फाड़ के थिएटर में घुसे वो पिक्चर देखने के लिए बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं कि हम स्क्रीन पे सेक्स होते हुए दिखा रहे इट्स अ जॉनर आज हम और आप हमको SMS जोक्स आते हैं या वल्गर नॉटी नॉनवेज जोक्स जैसे हम कहते हैं पार्टी में महफिल जमती है तो एक चुटकुला या जोक सुनाया जाता है तो हम आम जिंदगी में हमेशा ये नॉटी चीज़ें करते हैं हम थोड़े नॉटी होते हैं वल्गर होते हैं आई थिंक अब धीरे धीरे ऑडियंसेस जो है दे डोंट केयर के जो प्योरिस्ट है वो क्या सोचते हैं उनको एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए लोग मुझसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि आप डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग लिखते हो ऐसे यार लोगों के डायलॉग्स में एक मीनिंग नहीं होता मैं आपको दो दे रहा हूँ एक साथ और क्या चाहिए आपको
Let's talk about some fun stuff as far as Mastizade is concerned. You're once again you're just having fun as far as the double meaning is concerned. You're having Sunny Leone in a double role. Lily Lele and Laila Lele. So tell us something about both these Leles.
Well, when you see the film, जो Lily Lele which Sunny is playing, she's adorable, and she's actually a part of Sunny's personality. Sunny in real life is a sweetheart. She's a little bit of a goofball. You know, she's little dorky, nerdy, which is what I've tried to capture in Lily Lele. Right. Laila is the Sunny the world want things they know and they want to watch. She's hot, she's sexy, she's aggressive. And Lily is the opposite. She's hot, she's sexy, but she's sweet. She's very क्या कहते हैं वो cute school teacher. You know who you always liked in school जो आपको मैथ सिखाती थी you know wearing specs and she's got different hair little curly and she's got a stammer in the film तो कुछ words पे वो हकलाती है क्योंकि वो इतनी confident नहीं जितनी उसकी बहन है लैला है in your face है so Sunny I think she was excited when I came up with the idea because she felt कि यार everyone has seen her play this really gorgeous, sexy, hot girl, but no one has seen this nerdy, side of her. So when I wrote it and I narrated it to her, she immediately said, "This is me." No, in this film, when I'm shooting, she's the most happy and comfortable when she's playing Lily. When she's playing Lily, the camera comes on, Sunny lights up. Sunny looks forward to the scenes जिसमें Lily है. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ना हीरोइन दूसरे हीरोइन को हमेशा एक झगड़ा होता है, इन दोनों बहनों में भी झगड़ा है. सेज जो है ना लिली जो है ना वो लैला को नहीं चाहती और लैला जो है ना वो हमेशा चाहती है कि वो लिली को नीचा दिखाए तो इसमें इंटरनल कंपटीशन सनी और सनी में ही हो रहा है इस पिक्चर में जहाँ जब सनी लैला बन के सेट पे आती है मैं कहता हूँ वेलकम लैला जब लिली आती है मैं कहता हूँ वेलकम लिली जब लिली आती है कहती है मेरी बहन का आई होप शी इज नॉट अराउंड हियर सो शी इज एंजॉइंग other than just being beautiful which she's enjoying comedy. She's never done comedy in any film. And this is ये जो genre हम कर रहे हैं this is the genre of Grand Masti, Houseful, David G, मैं तेरा hero which I have written as a writer. तो इसमें slapstick भी है, double meaning भी है, situational comedy भी है. हर scene में she has to improvise along with and there are great actors along with her comic stars. तो Shah who's a veteran and he's a star in sex comedy Kya Cool series. Veer has done Delhi Belly. Then I have Asrani sir, I have Suresh Menon, Shahad Randhawa. So the whole cast they're such good actors that when they all come together in a frame Faridun it is madness. It is mental कि हर आदमी इतना पागलपन कर रहा है. So she's enjoying because she's getting to play off someone like an Asrani sir or a Suresh who's done maybe 100 films and comedy so many times. So I think people will see the actress in her in this movie, the comic timing, the little the Sridevi ji in Mr. India जब वो Charlie Chaplin when she paid a tribute. Lily's got that little Chaplinist kind of quality to her. She's goofy, she's fun, she's confused, she's nervous, and I mean I always say the women are going to love Lily Men are going to love Leila, but the women are going to love Lily.
Sunny did perform quite well as in Ragini MMS as an actress, especially in the climax portion of it. But practical terms, में people her USP is the oomph quotient and the entire sexiness element. So as far as that thing is concerned, what her fans can expect from?
Well, it's Masti Zade, or as I always said,
How much are you pushing the envelope as?
I mean, there's nothing sleazy in the film, but she's really hot, and I think she's hotter than she's ever looked because she's happy, she's enjoying the comedy. So she's looking as hot as a Katrina looks in a mainstream commercial film. Like I'm treating her like how I treat Tushar and Veer. They all are my stars. They all are my heroes. Every time, every frame, we try to make her look good, make her look the hottest. So although she's looking hot, she's going to wear some really sexy bikinis, and she's going to, it's a beach film. But at the same time, the character that she's playing as Lily and Leila, both are so different from one another कि एक लैला जो है ट्रेडिशनल हॉट है, ऊम्फी, जो सनी से लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, उस ऑडियंस को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. उनको भरपूर जो उनको देखने आए हैं सनी दे एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दे विल गेट. और जो अदर ऑडियंस है, लिली से दिल बी शॉक्ड. So I am telling you, a lot of people are going to find Lily as an actress, and even the way how hot Sunny is going to look, looking simple and looking cute. एक होता है ना कि काजू कतरी भी अच्छी लगती है, गुलाब जामुन भी अच्छा लगता है. शी इज़ गोइंग टू केटर टू ऑल ऑडियंसेस इन दिस मूवी. उसके जो फैंस थे उनको कोई शिकायत नहीं होगी ऑन हाउ ब्यूटीफुल सनी लुक्स इन दिस मूवी. बट जो उनके फैंस नए बनेंगे इस फिल्म से, जो वुड सी कि यार ये कॉमेडी में कितनी अच्छी है, इसने हंसा दिया. I want that to happen, and she's phenomenal.
A colleague of mine had a question for you, and he was asking that do we see her kissing both the heroes in the movie?
No, there is no kissing in this film at all. Kissing is missing, but you won't be missing the kissing because there's a lot happening in the film other than kissing.
How many songs in total?
We have 5 songs in the film.
Right.
Yeah.
And I believe you shot one song in Mumbai, and now this is the second.
Yeah, we shot one song in Mumbai, which is composed by Meet Brothers. We're shooting now this one, which is by Amal Malik. Out of the 5 songs, 3 songs are by Meet Brothers.
Right.
One song is Amal Malik. One song is Anand Raj Anand.
You're saying 70% of the movie is complete. Then what are the release plans as?
Well, that I think Rongita Nandi, Mr. Pritish Nandi, they'll be the best people. But I know they are unbelievable producers. They've given me everything for this film, and this is their baby. This is the one they look at being a big one. They've never made a film like this in their entire career. They've always been known to make, intelligent cinema, intellectual cinema, entertaining, but at the same time a certain aesthetic. And their films have always been respected and well reviewed. This is the most commercial, massy and rasta chap that they've gone in their entire lives. So hats off to them for that. And so I feel they are planning to release it, give it a release that this film deserves, the best period possible, in which I feel the biggest audience for this film is the masses of India and the youth. And I think they're looking at making this kind of an event film. It's the first sex comedy that's going to come and hit the screen since Grand Masti. Grand Masti did 100 crores 1 year back. Since then, there's been no sex comedy hitting Indian screens. So we are hoping the audience is waiting, thirsty, कि ये वापस ज्वालामुखी का फटे, sex और comedy का, and hope Masti Zade, I hope it turns out to be that bonanza they're waiting for.
Right. All sorts of double meaning stuff happening in this interview as well, volcano and all that stuff. Sunny has tweeted that who's hotter, Milab Zaveri in a bikini or me in a bikini.
There's this joke between Sunny that हर scene में you want to put me in a bikini. I said film bikini है इसलिए bikini है. And she always tells me, and I always say, listen, मैं equally सबको तुषार और वीर भी चड्डियों में घूम रहे हैं, तुषार और वीर भी आधी पिक्चर में कपड़े उतार रहे. सो आई सेड आई एम अ वेरी इक्वल डायरेक्टर. मैं सबके साथ वही करता हूँ. सो शी सेड अगर हम कर रहे तो तुझे भी पहननी पड़ेगी बिकिनी. बिकॉज आई पुट ऑन लॉट ऑफ वेट. उनको मेरे साइज़ की बिकिनी नहीं मिली, लेकिन एक टी शर्ट ज़रूर मिला जिसमें एक बिकिनी का प्रिंट था. तो शी गिफ्टेड इट टू मी टुडे एंड शी मेड मी वेयर इट. सो आई वोर इट फॉर हर एंड देन शी ट्वीटेड who's hotter. Ask me, she's hotter. But it's up to the fans to decide who's hotter, her or me in the bikini.
What are your future plans?
I've written dialogues for Mumbai Saga. That's going to be directed by Sanjay Gupta sometime next year. I've written the dialogues for Kya Cool Hai Hum 3 that Balaji is producing. I've done that also.
Ritesh once again doesn't want to be a part of it.
I don't think he's part of it, of that. Tushar is part of that. So I've done the dialogues for that. And I'm doing a few other films I'm writing. There are plans to direct some other stuff also. So there's a lot of good things happening. There's nice, and I want to make it very clear that despite the fact that I'm directing now, I'm never going to stop writing. I'm going to keep writing films, writing dialogues, and balancing the two. Like Sajid Khan had once told me कि dialogue writing तेरी रोजी रोटी है और direction तेरा cake है. तेरा dessert है. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make sure I keep writing dialogues also. So all the producers, directors, my pen is still for hire.
Do you somehow feel that writers are not given their due in the industry because the basic backbone has to be the writing part of it? Be it like a Rohit Shetty, the way he understands that, the way he utilizes like a Sajid Farhad for all his movies, and a lot of other people, they give a lot of space to the writers, but somehow a lot of people they don't. Do you feel that writers don't get the due?
See, I feel it's changing now. When films are doing, if you are a writer and you write a successful film, you'll get your price. If you write 2 successful films, you'll get more than your price. You write 3 successful films, you'll go through the roof. I think there's certain writers, there's Rajat Arora, there's Sajid Farhad, there's Tushar Hiranandani, myself too. Because we've achieved a certain amount of body of work where films have done well. Like I've had 4 hits in a row. Tushar has had 7-8 hits in a row. Sajid Farhad had big hits. So we today do get our price. And as far as credit goes, the most beautiful moment for me was when Shooter at Vadala released. Sanjay Gupta tweeted that if there was anybody else in my place, he would feel jealous and insecure that Milap is getting all the credit for the success of Shooter at Vadala. But how can I be jealous? He's my son. And I was in Gaiety watching the film with the audience, and I saw that tweet and I had a tear in my eye. I said, which director openly on a public platform, social media, says that my dialogue writer is one of my stars of my film and he deserves most of the credit? So I feel people are giving it now. It's much better than earlier. And see, my advice to every writer is work hard, do your best. If you do well, if you deliver the hits, if you then you can command the authority to say, I'm good at my job, what I write makes money, it does well, I understand the audience's pulse. If you achieve that, then I think you will get your prize, you will get your respect.
You are someone who's very active on Twitter, and जिस तरीके का आपका functioning होता है, one can look at it as 2 ways. One is कि आप naturally आप अच्छाई में believe करते हैं, and you like being nice to people, and you genuinely fond of people. You are a people's person. That is one way of looking at it. The second way can be that Milap Zaveri is excellent at public relationing. So what is the real truth to that?
See, I'll tell you what. We work very hard to make movies. हम सब पिक्चर बनाते हैं, कोई फ्लॉप बनाने नहीं निकलता या बुरी पिक्चर. नो वन ट्राइज टू मेक अ बैड फिल्म. वी ऑल वर्क हार्ड. आई हैव मेड बैड फिल्म्स, आई हैव रिटन बैड फिल्म्स, आई हैव रिटन गुड फिल्म्स. अगर मुझे किसी की पिक्चर अच्छी लगती है तो मैं सरेआम उसकी तारीफ़ करूँगा. जो इंसानियत है, जो अच्छाई है, किसी की तारीफ़ करना. अगर मुझे फिल्म बुरी लगती है तो मैं सबके सामने किसी को नंगा क्यों करूँ? तो अगर वो मेरा दोस्त है, मैं उसे जानता हूँ, तो मैं उसको पर्सनली प्राइवेटली आई टेल हिम, ब्रो आई डिडंट लाइक किसी को किसी पे कीचड़ मत उछालो. क्यों? क्योंकि वो छींटे तुम पर भी उड़ेंगे. तो आई अवॉइड. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स आई डोंट लाइक, बट आई डोंट टॉक अबाउट देम. अगर मैंने कोई फिल्म देखी और मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी तो मैं ट्वीट नहीं करता हूँ उसके बारे में. बहुत अच्छी लगी तो ट्वीट करता हूँ. तो आई लाइक टू बी पॉजिटिव. लोग इसको PR बोलेंगे, इसको पब्लिक रिलेशंस बोलेंगे, जो भी बोलेंगे, बट ये मेरी फैमिली है. दिस इंडस्ट्री हैज गिवन मी अ लॉट. आज जब when I gave 3 hits in a row, Sanjay Gupta held a party, spent money to give a success party for me. When I was low and not doing well in life, Mr. Anil Kapoor, David G, Ekta, Indu Ji, so many people came forward to help me, to give me a career back again. Today PNC showed faith in me after the first film as a director didn't do well. People in this industry have touched wood been very good to me. I've met good people. So I'll be good to them. Why should I be bad to them?
Fabulous.
Yeah.
To be honest, I enjoyed Grand Masti.
Yeah.
Frankly speaking, I had a good time in the cinema hall, and people can have all sorts of. There are a lot of people who have had good time in the cinema hall,
100
but
crore.
बाहर निकलने के बाद नहीं 100 crore doesn't matter.
नहीं, 100 crore
लेकिन
की
it should have
बात-
people
बात
should
है-
have good time.
मैं ग्रैंड मस्ती की आपको बात बताता हूँ. मैं ग्रैंड मस्ती थिएटर में गेटी गया था. गेटी इन जनरल पागल, दे आर एक्सप्रेसिव ऑडियंसेस. तो मैं आई डिडंट रिएक्ट. ऐसे चलो ये तो ज़्यादातर पिक्चरों को मैं पागल हो जाते. मैं फीनिक्स मिल्स का जो IMAX स्क्रीन है, PVR फीनिक्स, में वहाँ गया. उससे एलीट साउथ बॉम्बे आपको स्क्रीन इस देश में नहीं मिलेगा. उसमें फैमिलीज़ बैठे थे. एक फैमिली थी, फादर इन लॉ, मदर इन लॉ, बहू, बेटा और प्रैम में बच्चा. जो आइल में प्रैम में बच्चा सोया था, और वो फैमिली पागलों की तरह हंस रही थी. जब मैंने वो देखा, मैं उठा, मैंने बोला ये पिक्चर ब्लॉकबस्टर है. फिर अब मुझे डर नहीं किसी भी चीज़ का, बिकॉज ग्रैंड मस्ती made people laugh. See, you can be vulgar and you can be offensive, but if you be vulgar and you be funny, then people enjoy it. Everyone enjoys non-vegetarian jokes. So that's what Grand Masti achieved. So there are a lot of people who said ये है गंदी है, ये वो है. इतनी गंदी होती, इतनी ऑफेंसिव होती तो पब्लिक नहीं आती बार बार देखने. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे पास सुपरस्टार्स थे.
Apparently, that's what Mr. Indra Kumar says, that women have liked the film more than maybe.
मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. मैं बस गेटी में था. इंटरवल में एक मेरे पास में 2 लड़के और एक लड़की साथ में आए थे. लड़के थोड़े एम्बेरस हो गए शायद कि ज़रा वल्गर है, तो उन्होंने लड़की को देख के बोला कि चलो लेट्स गो चले जाते हैं. द गर्ल लुक्ड एट देम एंड सेड आपको जाना है आप जाओ, मुझे देखना है. मैंने वो देखा, वो लड़के चुपचाप वापस बैठ गए सीट में. पिक्चर चालू हुई, लड़की हंसने लगी, कंटिन्यूड लाफिंग. मेरे 2 रो पीछे कुछ 8 या 9 औरतें थी बुरखे में. फुल मतलब ग्रुप आया था, किट्टी पार्टी, पागलों की तरह हंस रहे थे. सो इंदु जी इज राइट, द women enjoyed it. If they wouldn't, a film with not such a big star cast is the only adult film in history to cross 100 crores with not a very big star cast. Ritesh was the only star that time doing well. Vivek and Aftab were not going through the best phase of their careers. To do these kind of numbers that big stars do, it shows that the genre is so big.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, man. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
buddy.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
That's all from Borangama. Keep on watching.
It was full of oomph and wow and just a lot of things that I've never done before.